Hi everybody, it's Diana with StampingWithDi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you stuff from the OnStage that I went to Arlington, Texas last week. I meant to do it on Tuesday and I totally forgot. So I thought, you know what, today would be perfect to make it really be a Dies Shorts. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. And we finally are getting winter. I have my long sleeve shirt on. But sometimes by the time the afternoon rolls around, I'm putting a t-shirt on because then it warms up. But the mornings and the night have been pretty cool. Not as cool as it was when we were in Texas. We were pretty wrapped up for our Arizona thin blood, we like to call it. So, so today, yes, I'm going to share with you the stuff that I got while I was at OnStage, and remind you of a few things. Today is the last day for the stamp sale, so if you've not taken advantage of that, you want to make sure you do that today before the end of the day, because the computers, like the online store, will get super busy towards the end of the day. So the earlier you can place your order, the better. If you're having any issues at all, make sure you reach out and so I can help you. All right, so I'm gonna turn the camera, so just close your eyes for a second while I spin the camera and get in place here. All right, so let me remind you of a few things. Hostess code for November. This is the hostess code that I would love if you use that. This allows me to continue to do the goodies in the guts, because I use my hostess rewards to get those for you, and then I just have to pay the postage to get them to you. If you are ordering over 150, then don't use the code so that you'll get your own hostess benefits, but you'll still be able to earn the goodies in the guts. So anyways, all right. Let's see what else. So this is what I was talking about. The sale ends today. So this is an awesome time of year if you are, if you have crafters on your Christmas list or you just need stuff. It's a great sale. You have 10% off all punches, 15% off all stamps, 20% off all dies, 20% off all embossing folders, and 20% off all non-specialty DSP. And this is in the annual catalog only, not the mini catalog. And the stamps, you can't pick hostess stuff. And then I still have Birthday Piggy, so I mentioned that the other day. So I still have some Birthday Piggy class in the mail kits available. All right, what else is going on? My registration for my virtual spring social is open, so make sure you sign up for that. Early registration ends December the 19th, so you'll save a little bit. So if you sign up before December 19th, and then I have like a later one that closes December the 30th. So, so anyway, so you can reach out to me to get more information, or you can go to my blog and it's on there as well. All right, so let me get to the fun stuff. So the other day I showed you that we got the mini catalog and our celebration brochure while we were on stage. I can't open them up because they're not like live yet, but these are where for the spring social, you are using stuff out of here. If you want your own mini catalog and your celebration, you just want to make sure that you have placed at least a $50 before tax and shipping order from me since June 2022, and then I will send one to you in the mail. If you've not ordered since then, I just assume you're ordering from another demonstrator, and then you'll get your catalog from them. If you don't have a demonstrator, there's still time to place an order to get your catalog. So anyway, so I always love going to the events because we get ribbons, and I know it's just a little something, but I love seeing all the ribbons. So these are the ribbons that I earned for last year. So then they hand it to you and then you put on your thing. Jeff went as well, so he is my supporting demonstrator, so I always have him attend the events with me, and he loves meeting all everybody, and he seems to retain more of the info than me. My brain is kind of like a sieve half the time. All right, so let me show you the stuff. All right, so we actually have a, I'm going to scoot up a little bit. Scoot up. There we go. We have a, it's like a leader thing the night before, and it's called Center Stage. So we get to get our catalog and our box before everybody else. But then they always have like an extra little gift. So this year, and I don't want to open it up because it's bad luck, but we got a cute Stampin' Up umbrella. And then inside is all these pretty polka dots. It is super fun. So, yeah. So here's the umbrella. So this was a Center Stage gift. If you are a Silver Elite or more, you get to go to that special one. So this is the box that we got. And now I just crammed everything that I could in the box, but all this was not in the box. All right. So when we got there, so some of this was in the box, some was door prizes. Excuse me. And so anyways, we got a cute little notebook. Look at how pretty this is. So this seemed to be the theme, right? You got this pretty paper. It's on the side there, and our pen. And I'm so bad. I always like save my pens. I don't know why. I should just use them, but I love to save my pens. So there it is. We also have some pins, so you can put these on your lanyard, or sometimes they were set up and you could swap them, like maybe you didn't like a bee or you wanted something else. Jeff and I got the same one, so I don't know if everybody got the same one or not, but I usually just keep the pins that I got. This was, I believe, a door prize, and these are some of the new pastel adhesive back sequins, and look how beautiful they are. They're like gold and a pink and then like a turquoise. I love it when we have the sequins, and I love when we don't have a hole in the sequin. Because then it's more to me like an embellishment and not like a bead, right? All right, so this was one of the stamps we got. So the hand-drawn dots, which is super fun, and they did some demonstrations with these. So this is a new one that will be available. Now, if you want to be able to pre-order starting in December out of the mini catalog and earning celebration, just join my team and you can do the same thing and start ordering, you know, in December instead of having to wait till January. So this is one of the other that we got, and this is actually a celebration. So we got a celebration set. So it's a two-step stamping one. Then this, I believe, was a door prize. So it's a pretty decorative borders. So you can see, you know me, I like to color. And then this is, I love this. So this is like a mossy meadow crossbody purse. So we always get some sort of bag or whatever. So I love that it's a purse. So it's got the Stampin' Up logo in there, a zipper, and then it's got even like back here so you can put your cell phone. So this is super fun, and then it's got an extra long strap. So so I love that. All right, so hang on, there's more. Let me get this off my table. And then I think this is the last. So look at this paper. So this is the dry brush metallic specialty designer series paper. And look at that shine. It almost, to me, should be called mirror paper because you can pretty much see yourself in it. And I think it's two different colors, but I could be mistaken. Yeah. So you've got, is it 3 or 4? 3 or 4. Here we go. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh. So you got 4 sheets. And isn't that just amazing? Now, I wouldn't do a whole card probably with it. I would probably just use, you know, strips of it. And it's just one side that has that pretty foil. But anyway, so that was a door prize too. So I think that I haven't forgotten anything because I double checked my bags. Let me scoot down. I double checked my bags because we did drive. All right, let me switch seconds. so I can talk to you face to face. So we did drive, which Jeff loves to drive. But I'm always like, do you want me to drive for a while? But he just does the driving. And I'm like his co-pilot, whether that's a good thing or not. But anyway, so it was only Texas, so it was just, you know, what was that, 15 hours or something like that. So we just stayed in a hotel going and coming, and then we had the couple nights while we were in Arlington, so it was really nice. So if you ever head that way, the first night we stayed in a town called Monahans, Texas, and it was just a little town, but oh my gosh, the hotel was like a year and a half old. It was beautiful. It was so clean, and the people were so friendly. And we always like to find out what's a good restaurant, you know, kind of family owned. So we did go to a restaurant called Guadalajara, I think it was called, a Mexican restaurant. It was so delicious. Oh my gosh. So anyway, so that's just, you know, if you live around there, maybe you have been. So, so anyway, so it was fun. And then it's always fun to get back home. But so I think I think I remembered everything. It always is easier to drive because you don't have to worry about packing so bad. But we didn't stop and shop. Sometimes we do. We didn't even go by a Buc-ee's, those really fun gas stations, but we never did. The way we went, we didn't see any. And I have been before, but Jeff hadn't. But he was just like, you know, he wasn't. He didn't care if we went to one, so I was like, okay, well, we're not driving out of the way just to go to one if he doesn't care to see it. But all right, so that is my blab for the day. That was a pretty quick one, but I just wanted to share what I got. And like I said, my registration is open for the virtual spring social. And as soon as I get my stamp sets, I won't be able to pre-order till December. Then I'll show them when I get them. But like I said, if you want to be able to pre-order early, we always get to order a month early than everybody else, so that we have time to play and you know, get classes figured out and all that good stuff. So that's a little perk. I would love to have you join my Dice Country Inkers team. I have demonstrators all over the United States, and you can pre-order too. All right, so I'm going to say see you later. Hold on. I have to get a Kleenex. It's like I sneezed. Hold on a minute. This is awful. Oh. Well, I wiped my nose. That's embarrassing. All right, I have the heater on. I'm probably too hot. All right, so I'm going to say see you later. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist. And that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. And if you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out to me. And don't forget the sale ends today. Have a good weekend. If you have a frozen turkey, get it out of the freezer. If it's a big one, so I can thaw. Jeff hollered at me from work and he's like, get that turkey out of the freezer. Because it's big. He's going to smoke it. He did last year. Oh, and it was so good. That smoke flavor, like he brined it or whatever, but then he smoked it in the smoker. And then we freeze it, right? Because it's a lot of meat. And then later we made like smoked turkey enchiladas, and oh, they were so delicious. So if you've never smoked a turkey, give it a try if you have a smoker. Just, you know, Google and see how it's done so you do it safely, but it definitely tastes good. Okay, so I'm gonna stop blabbing because I'll blab all day long. All right, have a good weekend. I will see you Monday, and thanks so much for joining me this week. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.